I received a sample product from Fifine Technology. So this is a microphone because a lot of time I need to record my repair process for some computer or some other electronic stuff. So I do need a good microphone. So I ordered this. It's arrived second day, so it's pretty quick. So let's take a look what's inside here. So it's cost customer like $34. Okay, so take a look. So we have some those label and we have this user guide. Okay, pretty handy. And let's take a look what's inside here. Okay, this is just a paper box. And inside you have this foam protect your microphone. And here inside is the microphone itself. Okay, you can see it's sit in the foam pretty safe. Okay, and you can see this is the microphone itself. So yeah, see how long its neck is. Itself is about 1 feet. I don't know. It can be extended or okay. I think it's the fixed length 1 feet. I think it's 2.2 meters away, so it's long enough. It's a regular USB 2 connector, so it will support USB 3 if you plug it in. And the microphone itself, there's a mute button here, and there's a volume, and there's an indicator, and here this part is fixed. You cannot unplug this. You can adjust this angle for any angle. Basically, it's a flexible neck. Okay, I will use this one to do some test and comparison. Hopefully this one will deliver the better audio for me. It's time to plug into my computer. This is my Windows computer. Okay, once you plug it in, it will recognize by Windows right away. So it's a plug and play, and you can right click the new microphone and set it as a default. So now it's ready to do some test. So I'm going to test with other two microphones, but they're all different shape. So first one is Audio Technica ATM 410. So if we look at the website, so this is the one 410. It's a handheld microphone, so it's kind of analog. And another one I'm going to test with is the NG Pure Audio USB headset. So this one is the one here. Yeah, it's kind of this kind of form microphone, but yeah, very similar. So it's a little bit higher price than the Fifine. So the last one is our Fifine K052. Okay. So now what I'm using this record software. So this one record couple seconds and you can do some comparison. So let's move forward. So I'm going to start here. So we can define the microphone here. So the first one is for sure this one would be the analog microphone. Is Audio Technica ATM 410. So yeah, as I said, I'm trying to use the microphone about 10 centimeter away and with the 80% volume level. Okay, so let's see how it looks like. This is a test. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do. Okay, after that, then I can move forward to use another microphone. So this one is the Android pure audio USB. So we can see test here. So let's record. This is a test. This is a test. Do re mi fa sol la chi do. Okay, finally we can test our Fifine K052. Okay, we need to switch the microphone here. This one is number 10 here. Okay, so because Fifine K052 has another volume on the microphone itself, so you need to make sure it's maybe, I think the best position will be close to 40 to 50% on the microphone itself, otherwise it will overload. Okay, so here we monitor this microphone first, make sure we are in a good shape. Okay, record. This is a test. This is a test. Do re mi fa sol la chi do. Okay, this is the 3 recording. So this one is a little bit low volume. These two, okay, that's fine. We will play back, so hopefully you can notice some difference. This is a test. This is a test. Do re mi fa sol la chi do. Now this one is the Android pure audio. This is a test. This is a test. Do re mi fa sol la chi do. Now this is a Fifine K052. This is a test. This is a test. Do re mi fa sol la chi do. So I'm not sure you realize any big difference for those 3. So, but in my opinion, this one, the Android pure audio USB for sure, because this one is the microphone and headset together. So apparently the quality of the sound, see, is missing a lot of low bass and the middle range frequency of the audio, not rich enough. This is a test. This is a test. Do re mi. So, and those two audio technical and Fifine K052, they are quite close in terms of the sound frequency responding. This is a test. This is a test. Do re mi fa. This is a test. This is a test. Do re mi fa. But I guess you already realized the big difference. This one, because it's an analog microphone, so it's produce a lot of static background noise. So let's listen again. This is a test. This is a test. So background noise. This one produces this is a test. Pure clear audio. This is a test. This is a test. Do. Yeah, this one completely very clear, and their sound quality is quite close. And these microphones are selling $100. this one is K052 for sure. If you look at our Amazon here, Fifine K052 is only $35 free delivery, and yeah. So, and also it got a mute button here, mute button and a volume button. So yeah, I guess it's a perfect for people to produce all the video, do the host, and also do recording. Yeah, and so I was strongly recommend this one as your next entry level microphone. And the only thing I want to mention is that volume button don't set too high. Thanks for watching.